And that's it. Now we're completely done with updating, showing, and destroying users, and we're ready to make our final commit. So let's do that. And so at this point, we have completed the canonical REST actions. Let's take one last look at our users controller. We now have, in fact, let's just do this. Let's go view, let's fold these guys. Now we've got index, show, new, create, edit, update, and destroy. These are the 7 REST actions. And you can see that this is a whole heck of a lot more complicated than the user from the demo app. There's all of this machinery, the validations, the before filters, and so on. But this basic structure is the same. And we'll be adding a little bit of extra functionality to the users controller in the final 2 lessons. But for the most part, we're done with the heavy lifting in this controller. In the next lesson, we're going to make a micropost resource, which will involve making both a micropost controller and a micropost model. And then in the final lesson, we'll put together the feed-like functionality that you need for this little minimalist Twitter clone that we're building. But of course, so far, we haven't done anything that's specific to the Twitter clone idea. This is just a basic foundation for any user-centric website. On the other hand, to leave off the last 2 lessons would really be a cheat, because one of the most powerful aspects of Ruby on Rails is the ability to build very complicated data models. And we'll see in the next lesson, and especially the final lesson, lesson 12, just how powerful these data modeling facilities are. So having made our final commit, let's check out master and merge in our changes. That's updating users. Let's just rerun our test suite for paranoia's sake. Great. And now we're ready to move on to the final 2 lessons.